Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Amazon Prime Video subscription and start watching immediately, follow these simple steps to access thousands of movies and TV shows. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer or launch the Amazon app on your smartphone or tablet. Go to Amazon.com or Amazon.com Prime Video to access the Prime Video service. Step 2. Sign into your Amazon account using your email address and password. If you don't have an Amazon account, click Create your Amazon account and follow the registration process. Step 3. If you're not already a Prime member, look for the Try Prime or Start Your Free Trial button. Click on it to begin the Prime membership sign-up process. Step 4. Choose your Prime membership plan. You can select a monthly or annual subscription. Students and EBT card holders may qualify for discounted Prime memberships. Step 5. Enter your payment information, including credit or debit card details. Amazon will verify your payment method, but won't charge you until your free trial period ends if you're starting a trial. Step 6. Review your membership details and billing information, then click Start your 30-day free trial or Join Prime to complete the activation. Step 7. Once your Prime membership is active, navigate to the Prime Video section by clicking on Prime Video in the top menu or by visiting primevideo.com directly. Step 8. Browse the extensive library of movies, TV shows, and Amazon originals. Click on any title to start watching immediately. You can also download content to your mobile device for offline viewing. Your Prime Video subscription is now fully activated and ready to use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.